It's a good question. I usually wait to crack out the one I won the year before till I go to the finals. But I always wear the all-around buckle. I can't say that. I wore the head and buckle for a while just because it seemed like it took me the longest to get. My wife won't let me wear my first one, so that's not an option. Shada's always worn my first one until she won San Antonio, so I'm making get that back now since she hasn't been wearing it. You know, he kind of goes in spurts. He wants to wear his first mutton busting buckle, or he's got a set of mutton busting buckles now that mine don't make the grade anymore.